Okay, so we are walking to the store, and we were in the house washing. Well, I was washing dishes, and I don't know what the hell she was doing. But my cousin them said that they heard gunshots. So we're on our way to go look at it. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, it's at the bank, and I don't know why, but people think just because we're from Waianae, we ain't gonna do shit. But sorry, this ain't no fucking set it off scene, okay? See, look at that, look at that. This is some fucking crazy. Look at all these motherfucking people. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of scared to walk past the cops with this camera, so I'm gonna act like I don't have it, okay? So bear with me, guys. Carry up. Hello. Carry up. Hurry up, Ducky. Come on. Before we get motherfuckers shot up in this bitch. Okay, I just seen my football coach. He was just over there. But yeah, catch you guys later. Bye.